The video production team at Radnor High School plays a large part in showing the high school, traditions, and events in Radnor, but people might not know who's in charge of the two teams who produce these videos. I plan to shed some light on them by interviewing them.
Where are we going, to the track?
Yep. So you're gonna make a left.
Is it open?
Oh no, is it locked?
What?
How are we gonna get? Okay.
Turn left.
How could he trust you? Run him over.
They have tractors going.
Act cool. Act cool. Okay.
Alright, we're good.
We got it. We got it.
So you're good. Now we're good. Look.
Oh, this is fun. This is a good idea. Who thought of this idea? Mrs. Krohn thought of this idea.
What are you doing?
Ah, Jesus!
We're practicing.
Oh.
Oh, practicing?
No, I'm just trying to drive this.
So how's audio? Oh my God, you
Now,
guys
want to go fast or slow?
So, for those who don't know what you guys do here, can you tell us what you do?
What do I do here? Well, I'm a tech ed teacher, so I teach video production, I teach computer graphics, and engineering.
Everyone say hi to them. Hello. No one say hi back to you.
They're like, what the heck is going on here?
My real title is Video Support Specialist, but I like to call myself Queen of all things. No, I do everything video related in the district. I oversee it or involved in it somehow. I manage the TV studio. I run the Radtv club, Radtv YouTube, Instagram, and cable station. And now I work for the communications department as a video producer.
Okay, so this is gonna be a bit of a deeper one. Okay.
Oh, a deep one.
Yes. I need you guys to be 100% honest with me. Does my hair make me look like a toothbrush?
Oh, did someone call you a toothbrush?
I'm not gonna name names.
Dylan.
So, I know you guys work with kids a lot.
Yeah.
Do you guys have any kids of your own?
Yeah, I have a daughter at home, Savannah.
Okay.
She is a year and a half now.
Oh.
Yeah.
I have 7-year-old twins, a boy and a girl, and a 12-year-old son.
What is it like being an MC for the prep rally?
Oh, jeez.
Wow. I mean, it's a pretty big honor, you know, to host the biggest event in Radnor Township.
Okay, you guys slow down. You're going to
We're
hit
not
these
gonna kill
children.
you.
Don't hit these people.
I don't
have insurance.
I've yet to kill one student.
Yes.
My eyes are tearing up. The wind in my face. Yeah, what else?
Where did babies come from?
Oh my.
Can you finish
Where, Dixon?
these lyrics for me?
Oh, finish the lyrics.
Yes. See, I'm focused on rapping like...
Oh.
I'm focused on rapping.
This is all you. I'm not. I'm old.
I'm focused on rapping like Krohn is focused on making videos.
This is a real song lyric, I think.
I never heard this song before in my life.
You've never heard this song? Have you heard this song, Mrs. Krohn?
No, Eve.
Neither of you?
Is this
No.
Kiki, Do You Love Me?
Could you tell me the difference between Radnor/video production and Radtv?
Good question.
That's a great question. So the class does Radnor in the morning. The club does not do Radnor in the morning. The club, I think, is more about learning how to make videos.
Yeah, if you couldn't fit the class in your schedule, or you just love video and want to do more work, it's open after school for you to do it, and we help you, we teach you. It's just like a supplement to the class.
Yeah.
But the club does not do the morning announcements.
We find ways to make the club and the class work together.
He's not even paying attention. He's like asking us a question. He's not even paying attention.
Dude,
Rude.
I think
Okay.